What's going on, guys? Junior or Lawson on this or that? Comment below.
What? Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Lawson, Lawson.co on Instagram. Today I got Junior with me to do another episode of This or That. Now, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension for your ride, CustomOffsets.com. It's up to it.
Loud exhaust or loud stereo system?
Loud stereo system. I had a loud exhaust. It was chopped headers right under my feet. It was awful.
I love music too much. In fact, I don't think I'm even gonna change the exhaust on my stock Silverado once it's built because I think they already sound good.
I mean, you could put a muffler on it at least. I can't talk because I literally left the Bronco stock after I lifted it and just bought a giant ass sub instead.
See, exactly. We're all about the sound.
No, not Banker. Banker brought a brand new 2020 Silverado and cut the muffler off.
That's true. It didn't even hit 1,000 miles and he already cut.
Let's not talk about it. It makes me mad.
80s Land Cruiser or 80s Toyota pickup?
Can I pick an 80s Nissan hardbody?
No.
80s Land Cruiser or 80s Toyota pickup?
I'm gonna pick Land Cruiser.
I feel like I'd pick the Toyota pickup.
Why?
Just because I have to pick one?
Rip. Dude, Land Cruisers are so sick.
I don't know, they don't excite me that much.
What?
Just old shitty Broncos, right? What? I just like old shitty Broncos, I guess. I don't know.
Oh. What do I do to my Land Cruiser? First, I would head out to CustomOffsets.com. I'd check out the gallery to see what fits my Land Cruiser.
Would you like build an overland build out of it?
Yes.
Overland
build / safari build. And then I would take it to Africa.
And hunt mountain lions.
And I was gonna say
hunt lions, but like they're going extinct and I can't really, that's bad promotion, you can't do that.
I was gonna say ride a giraffe and shoot rollers in my Land Cruiser.
That's way better option than killing lions.
And have the lion drive my Land Cruiser. All right, this is getting way out of hand. Next. Okay.
White lettering on sidewall or black lettering on sidewall?
Black lettering.
Black lettering. I've seen Bailey's truck before.
Yeah, Bailey, stop doing that. You know what's funny is Bailey actually did it and never did it again. He even said, I love this, and it wasn't that hard to do, but then caught so much heat from all of us that he refused to do it again.
Didn't he get it like muddy the first day after he did it too?
That's another thing too, is it's so hard to keep clean. And it's just, I don't know. I don't think it looks, obviously in certain...
Because he had the paint on, he painted it on.
Yeah,
he was
he
like
painted
a
them
marker,
on.
like a Sharpie.
So like, in certain applications it looks good, maybe more so in like the car world, that makes sense.
I could see like the shop truck having it, like a low single cab that's like fast.
Or if you have like your pre-runner and you have, you know, then you have the lettering and stuff. If you're doing like a show build or
if
like
it ain't fast, don't do it.
Yeah, or like a, you know, 22s, 35s and a 6-inch lift and it's just like your commuter / show build on the weekends, I wouldn't do it.
Ram tow mirrors or Ford tow mirrors?
Ford tow mirrors. I'm glad you didn't say like the 2020 Duramax tow mirrors because that would have been a hard one. Ram tow mirrors or 2020 Duramax tow mirrors?
Well, see, now, yeah, so we agreed on the Ford, so now let's talk about that. Duramax.
I can't pick. I'll go no mirrors. I got no mirrors.
No mirrors?
Yeah, well, I guess I'd have to go with the Dodge ones and just keep them folded in all times. I wouldn't go moose mode ever.
Yeah.
Because that makes me mad.
Yeah, it's too much.
I'd have to do that, but the new Duramax ones are weird because they mount here, but then they go and then they're here.
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, they just
scratch that, I take it back. Not the Duramax mirrors, because they're
weird.
They're just not me.
They're weird.
But you know, in like 2 years, we're all gonna be talking about how much we love them.
Or in 2 years, everyone will hate them because they just flap around because there's no support holding those big ass things up, those Dumbo ears.
They're gonna need like some cables. They're gonna have to like drill into their body, supporting rods.
Like they have a giant antenna towers, they got the cable ties to hold them.
Yeah, just for their damn mirrors.
Yikes.
Next. This episode's getting way the out of control.
Ranger Raptor or Colorado ZR2?
Ooh. Ranger Raptor. Yeah. Isn't the ZR2 like an actual thing?
Yeah, it's an actual thing.
The Ranger Raptor is a thing, just not in the States?
Yeah. I'd have to go Ranger Raptor as well. I like the platform.
They're still so small though. Like overall, you're still getting a tiny little truck. Like I don't know how I feel about that, but
yeah, the price tag on them is like too much.
What you pay for what you get, yeah.
I've just never been a huge fan of the Colorados. I like what they did with the ZR2, but I still think
The
Ranger
Canyon,
Raptor.
I like the Canyon better because it literally looks like a miniature Sierra. Like the
Yeah.
headlights and everything is like the same like styling.
Yeah.
I do like the Canyon as far as looks go, but yeah, I'd still go with the Ranger Raptor, I think, versus the ZR2.
Yeah. Cool. Just because I know I like the Rangers and I know I like the Raptors. It's like they had a baby.
Wow. That's hot.
Stop.
SingleCab long box or MegaCab short box?
MegaCab short box. Long beds are one of my least favorite, the least favorite bed. Actually, I think the only thing worse than a long bed is like a flat bed. Yeah.
I think I'd take SingleCab long box.
What the f?
Yeah. Finally found something that I disagree with you about.
Why? What are you gonna put in that giant ass bed?
I'm gonna put air suspension.
In the bed?
Yep.
In what?
Yeah, exactly. No, I'm gonna buy one. Just to prove you wrong. No, I don't know. I just think, I guess it depends what you're gonna do. Like I couldn't imagine Rainey's long bed with a single cab. On
That's
like
what you
a
just
huge,
said you wanted to get.
On like a huge lift. I'm thinking
Oh,
more like
I
keep her
see.
a little more street truck, a little low life.
Yeah, but a street truck that's the length of a school bus is still impractical.
Well, guess what? Nancy in her school bus can haul 50 kids just fine. You don't think I could just be mobbing around town?
Are you planning on having 50 kids?
No. I'm planning on showing Nancy up at every stop sign.
But you could show her up better with the short box.
No one wants that trash. What are you gonna put in the back?
You don't need to put anything in the back. It's a race truck.
Then why are you asking what I'm putting in the back?
I don't know.
Lifted
square body Suburban or lowered two-door Tahoe?
Lowered
two-door.
Except they're both really good options, actually. I think there was Plan B, I think it was, or there's, I forget who, yeah, I think it was Plan B. They had like a 89 Suburban, or maybe it was like a 79 that was like lifted on like 28 by 16 specialties.
Like, look nuts.
Whole thing was done up and it was like a black and silver, or a charcoal gray and silver two-tone. Like thing looked nuts, but at the same time, like I've always said I wanted to build a lower truck, especially because in like the Midwest, like lowered like full-size trucks like aren't a thing.
Yeah.
Like there's a couple of like,
It's like a Texas thing.
yeah, there's a couple of like Tacomas and stuff like that around, but like nothing that's like a full-size truck that's just like slammed on the ground. So like to put a two-door Tahoe, I've been wanting to do a two-door Bronco, like a Bronco slammed on the ground, because like you just like, you have to tub the rear and you got just giant ass wheels in there. It'd be sick.
Yeah.
It'd be different.
Yeah. I guess it all depends too, because like you said, like Plan B's old school Suburban lifted looked insane.
I think it was Plan B.
I couldn't imagine ever a new school Suburban. I just don't like them at all, especially to lift them or do anything with them. But the Tahoe on the ground, I've seen a couple and they're pretty hot. That's a tough one. It could go either way. I could see myself doing
Now wait,
both.
is the question about a old two-door Tahoe, or is it like a new one that someone cut down and made into a two-door? Because that was at SEMA last year, I think. If that's the case, that'd be even nuttier. Brand new Tahoe, cut down to two doors on the ground.
Yeah, that'd be sick. I still think I like
Someone do it, I don't have the money to.
I still think I like the originals better. I think the old schools are better than the new body.
They're both dope.
Bonus round.
Oh boy.
This is a really good one.
Oh boy.
Let's go. I love the bonus rounds.
Would you rather?
Get $1 right now or $2 in a year?
Oh boy.
Let's go. I love the bonus rounds.
Love the bonus rounds.
$1 right now.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. I want a bubbler. $1 right now.
I was like, Keen's actually got money. What the?
Just kidding. We're getting $0
Yeah,
right now.
$0
This was
right
all
now
a
and
scam.
$0 in a year.
All right, guys, that's what we got for you guys on this episode of This or That. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to like the video. Also, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. We'll see you on the next one.
Yay!